somewhere in this story.
Diesel has unfinished business. They're sure to be trouble right around the corner. Sandalfly, Wildfly, Shieldfly, that's it. And a still butter. Preparation. You weren't concentrating, Thomas. Lucky for you that the buffers were there.
That's what buffers are for, to stop engines from crashing. What are you doing in the sheds, James?
I'm feeling a little blue, which isn't so hot when you're red. I was naughty and Sir Topham Hatt told me to think about all the ways I can be really useful. Then I can come out to you.
He's just trying to make this a better radio for stewards. So Topham Hatt trying to work the less money diesel to hell.
You? You'll always use them. Because steam engines are cowardly, cranky, worn-out hunks of metal who couldn't